Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to learn how to create a shortcut on the Snapchat app so that you can just send your snap to all your friends in just one click. So let's open the app. Let's just take a snap and now send to. Here you can create a shortcut by clicking on this plus sign just here, right, and select the people you want to send your snaps to in one go and just create a shortcut. For that you have to also select an emoji. Let's just select this one, create shortcut. It's just that simple and you can create a shortcut like that. Now if you want to send your snap to the shortcut, you can just send to, and here above you have that emoji option, and when you click on that, that will appear, and then just send to, select this, and you can just send the snap to the people collectively. And now to delete the shortcuts that you don't need anymore, you can just swipe down, so that this is the normal view, and if you swipe down you'll see the options here. So you just have to click on the plus option and you'll get the option of creating a new shortcut as well as your other shortcuts that you have already created. And now just click on this, and here on the top right of the screen you see a delete option. Just delete it, and similarly you can, if you want to add some other people or just remove some selective people, you can just unselect them or select them and save the option. So yeah, that's how you use the shortcut option, or you use your shortcut option in the Snapchat app. And thank you for watching the video. Kindly subscribe to the channel. Bye.